We have got an amazing square body truck. It's a 1989 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe, four-wheel drive, body off frame, nut and bolt restoration, air conditioned. I'm telling you, this is as nice as some of our nicest cars we have in our inventory right now. Comes with receipts. It's a recent restoration. It was finished up in 2021. Everything you see is fresh. The tires, the chrome, the paint, the motor, you name it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find the price tag and a monthly finance option on over 200 collector cars for sale. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I like these square body trucks, and so do so many other people. This is what we grew up with, and now parts are available for them. They're easy to maintain and work on. Although, if you went as far as this guy did, that's still a big undertaking. He said there wasn't a nut, bolt, or washer that wasn't touched on this truck. The body is amazing. Again, this is as nice. Look at our $100,000 cars. This is as nice or nicer. The body is amazing. All the pinch welds down along there are real nice. Look at this tailgate. Absolutely arrow straight. Slick. This red paint is red glass. It even feels slick to the touch. Look at the gaps. Zero rust. All this is pristine. Right down to underneath here. All real nice. The inside edge here. All clean, dry metal. This is the pinch welds I was talking about. All nice, clean metal. No rust. Lines up beautifully. Look at that. That gap is like a Mercedes. And again, arrow straight. No body work showing. No funny areas at all. This is slick. All of this is just pristine, straight, like a laser beam. And it is red glass. It is a red mirror. I'm looking at the reflection. It's glass. In the folder, they replaced just about everything. So I'm assuming this grill, all the trim, the bumpers, lenses, all of it's new. The moldings, the emblems, the moldings down the side, the mirrors, all the rubber gaskets, all of the glass is replaced, all of it. Door handles, the window seals, the rain gutters. Now these were an option. These are really nice rails. It's got movable hooks on the inside to tie things down with. Open this door. Jambs are slick as can be. Said tires are only a couple years old. BF Goodrich with the rally wheels. The wheels look brand new. All the trim. The center caps are pristine. Lenses, bumper, moldings, handle. It's all like brand new. Nice four-wheel drive short bed, just has a nice stance, slick red paint. Really like this truck. Let's open it up. I got a lot more good stuff to show you. Love these old-fashioned metal tailgates. Get out of the way. Look at that tailgate, slick as can be, no rust. So inside the box is pristine. The side walls are all clean, straight metal, not damaged or beat up, and it's all painted red. And then look at the floor. It's also absolutely straight, clean, not damaged or dented. It's also painted red, but it's painted in the real durable chip guard. Beautiful box in this truck. The hinges are all clean. We have a Buy It Now button on our website. You click that if you want to put a hold on a vehicle while you're doing your due diligence. Trucks like this don't come around and they don't stick around. The jambs are painted as slick as the truck. The hinges are and strikers are clean. So inside, everything's new. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles, vent window handles. It's all been replaced. The whole instrument panel, vents, knobs, dash pad, everything looks like new. Heater control panel is replaced, has a retro digital stereo. All of this is clean, all painted up real nicely, real nice and slick. Each of our vehicles go through the shop for inspection. There's like 4 or 5 pages here. that have all been filled out. The front page is empty because it gets a second inspection before it is shipped out to the new owner. Kick panels, vents, all real nice. Under the carpet is a sound deadener, and the carpet was replaced. Has some nice mats. Has the four-wheel drive on the floor. Heavy-duty manual shift 4-speed. Now the seat I'm sitting on, it's not just recovered, it's rebuilt. Nice firm cushion. It feels real nice, supportive, comfortable. There's the seat belts, retractable shoulder belts. Behind the seat's real nice. See how the inside of the cab is all painted real slick. Has an LED interior light. The visors are a little wrinkled. And they're in good shape. They're wrinkled though. Has a nice mirror. So it's pretty much immaculate inside, just like the outside. And really, this is one of the nicest vehicles we have. If this was just being judged, I think it was scoring the top 5 or 10 of all the vehicles we have here. It's that nice. So under the hood has a rebuilt 350 motor, runs real nice. Up on top is an aluminum intake. It has an Edelbrock carburetor with electronic choke. It has an HEI ignition, some nice polished valve covers, stock exhaust manifolds. And again, look how all the metal was repainted, and look how clean everything is. The wiring, the heater box. Here's the lug wrench and part of the tools for the jack, overflow bottle for the radiator, all smooth, clean metal surfaces. Got the shroud, all the brackets and pulleys, all look real nice. It is a vintage air system that's been installed. Again, everything's painted slick. Washer fluid bottle right here. Squirters are hooked up. Here's the other part of the jack. Usually that stuff's missing. Must have a hydraulic clutch. That's what that reservoir is for. And we got power brakes sitting here. Look at under the hoods, painted real nice. Has hood insulation pad. This is a show quality truck. Caleb's going to take you for a drive. I hope he keeps it clean.
All right, 1987 Silverado. The weather's been nice to us, guys. We are taking it out around the block, showing you how she drives. And it's got the 4-speed in it. You don't ever see these. They're always automatic. And this thing shifts nice. Clutch feels great. Gears are super smooth. I feel like I'm driving a new truck right now. There's no squeaks, no creaks over the bumps, nothing like that. Steering's nice and tight. It's one solid truck. Brakes are real nice on it. We do have a little bit of traffic, and this isn't no race car, so we are going to wait, but everything looks real nice. It's nice and tidy, put together, fits nicely. Very clean truck. The gauges are working. Turn signals light up. Now it is the 4-speed. It does have your low gear. If you're, in slippery terrain, I really wouldn't start out in that gear. When you're driving, you can throw it in first instead. The 4x4 does work. We did test that out. Maybe we'll do a separate little clip here shortly showing you that it's functional. All right, let's see what she does, or how she does. Up to speed, no problem. We're doing 60. She cruises right along, guys. No shakes, no wobbles, nothing like that. Straight down the road. It's a comfortable drive. Very nice truck. I like this one.
I hear how a real tailgate's supposed to sound. Maybe I'm a nerd about that, but something about metal tailgates brings me back to my youth. So body was off the frame and restored. The floors are red like this, all perfectly dry, rust-free metal, painted red. The entire frame and chassis components are all smooth. They're not even pitted. This is a Georgia truck. And then everything was rebuilt, all the steering, the suspension, front and back. Nice dual exhaust system going all the way out the back. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. The whole system's redone. E-brake cables were replaced. Fuel tank looks new. You look up at the motor, it's spotless. The transmission, it's a heavy-duty 4-speed. It looks brand new. I mean, it's so clean. The 4-wheel drive works. It's a 10-bolt rear end in the back. Has a full spare tire is all up there in place. So again, body off frame, air conditioned, rust-free, show quality, square body truck. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer the rest of your questions, including how to get it delivered, how to get it financed. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.